עתיד.
יהודים וערבים נגד הריסת בתים.
עם הכיבוש!
עדיף חומוס על ייאוש, עוד נגמור עם הכיבוש.
ירושלים לא תשתוק, הריסות מחוץ לחוק.
ירושלים לא תשתוק.
יהודים וערבים נגד הריסת בתים.
יהודים וערבים נגד יהודיות וערביות נגד כל ההריסות.
And I've been working on the issue of house demolitions for many years. I feel very strongly as an Israeli that these policies, which are fascist, they have to stop. This is taking the country nowhere, over a cliff. They are illegal demolitions under international law, under the Oslo Accords. When you see soldiers rejoicing at what they have wrought, with people's lives ruined, with all of their money down the drain, with all the trauma, all we are doing with that is helping our enemies to grow. Hamas, Islamic Jihad, whoever you want to mention, they now are getting stronger because of our policies. So we are creating conditions in which terror thrives.
We're here, Jews and Arabs, in Jerusalem against the demolition of Palestinian housing. This policy is atrocious, and this government, this isn't giving me any security, quite the contrary. And we need to topple down Netanyahu for a just system, a just socialist system, a democratic system of both Palestinians and Israelis.
The Israeli government demolished tens of Palestinian houses that were built according to the agreements between Israel and Palestine in the Palestinian land in a very peaceful way. This is a crime that we cannot be quiet when we hear that such a crime is happening so close to us, a few kilometers east to us.